something we don't get to see every day. It's in a body shop. Looks like somebody hit that. Wonder if that was like a new Honda or any kind of new car. Can you imagine? Okay, did a little bit of work here, damage there, a bit more than a little bit, but this kind of damage will total out most brand new cars. I know, I've done it with an old car to a new car. Totally almost no damage to my car and literally ripped the other car in half like a sardine can. This is nice. Oh, the hinges are even nice and the door lock is nice. This is what I remember driving around when I was just a little kid, 2, 3, 4 years old. Uncle's cars. Look at the, oh my God, that close is so nice. Pretty good. American made with American parts. Now this is too bad because I would prefer to have the original V6 in here. No, I don't even want the V6. That's a V6. No, I want the straight 6. Actually, I like straight 6 over V6. I even like straight 6 over V8. This is when General Motors was a company, before the pathetic, putrid, vomited up abortion that they are today. Let's see, what year is this? This is 1962. Custom cab. Yep.